classes? May wala na class. Ano yung classes? Classes, sir. Sa kaya. Ha? Okay, so. Ang sagot niya sa classes today is statuses. This one, in the word system theory, it has capital values in economic system. It may be located upper, middle, lower class, stratum. Strata, ito talaga na siya. Pinakamataas, tapos yung upper class, lower middle class. Apa yung complicated na like lower class, lower middle class, middle lower class, then upper lower class. Sa una, sir. So, ang upper lower class, hindi sila pinakataas ng mga then we have also lower middle class, then middle class, then upper middle class, wala sila middle class, sa mga middle class. Then we have also lower upper class, no? Middle upper class, and upper. And some identities, no? The word system theory, meaning particular, it play a vital role in the word system theory. Mobile with application, it really have activities in the word system. Next one, question, clarification. Wala? Clarification. Pass there? Pass? Pass, sir. Wala na magtinungan. Patay sa last. So, the last one, it talks about internationalism, international relations, and international politics. Yan naman siya. Pasok ka, sir. Ito naman yung mga concept na that's because the other concept of the powerful